Hi everyone, I wanted to also announce on my channel that I'm sharing a Framer portfolio template, my first one actually, for free. You can find the preview and remix links in the description below. I'd like to quickly show and talk about it. As you can see, it is a one-page theme, except having project detail pages in the portfolio section, using Framer's great CMS capabilities, which is perfect for designers that don't have much content except their work. I aim to create a catchy but not busy hero section with some short introductory text, followed by a CTA and an image next to that column. I also added a nice and slow background animation. The section is flexible and easily customizable, which is aimed for actually in the entire template design. I added a ticker right below it to quickly and space efficiently showcase the client logos. Below we can see the services section, which has 3 columns, and each service column is actually an easily customizable component that lets you quickly change the icon and the text. I also tried to make design interesting with some scroll animations. As you can see in the services section, the columns are nicely gets bigger and distributed from the center as you scroll. Of course, for this section should place another CTA button for a better usability and conversion. In the portfolio section, I preferred a 2-column structure and used a nice hover effect, as you can see here. Let's see a project detail page. You can see there's a big title and the back button, which takes us to the portfolio section, and below it I placed the big project image. I tried to include all types of content user might need, not only text but also a text link and an image link. Of course, I used Framer's great CMS features to keep the projects easily manageable and customizable. As you can see, if we check the file, we can click the CMS button at top and we can see a list of the projects. We can click any of them to easily customize with the CMS fields like title, slug, thumbnail, and content. Let's go back to main page. In the testimonials section, I used another ticker, which is again easily customizable, as I made the testimonials a component with variables. About section has also a nice scroll animation, as we can see again, and with some short text and social media links. In the FAQ section, I used accordions as it is the most efficient and user-friendly solution. Made each accordion an instance of a Q&A component with variables, again for easy customization. I placed the contact section at the bottom, just above the minimal footer, since this is a one-page design, and placed social media links and a form for a newsletter subscription. And lastly, I'd like to add that the design is totally responsive. As you can see, when I narrow down the viewport, design perfectly adapts itself. Multi-column layouts become single layout. As I said, it perfectly adapts itself to the viewport. Again, you can find the preview and remix links for the template in the description if you want to check and use for free. And that wraps up this tutorial or giveaway announcement up. I hope you liked it. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe, turn the notifications on, check my other tutorials, and see you in the next one.